Today I want to talk about equipment we use at camping, specifically the stoves. We used to have a different kind of stove where you put this kind of gas inside, cover it and press it. This is much better. It works great for us. This is supposed to be a windproof stove, very compact. They come after use, you can pack them. It comes with a zip bag, a box like this. You can just zip it and put away. It's only like 5 inches tall by 8 inches width, and they are super strong. You can use two kinds of gas cans. This kind, it comes with this extension, or you can use a regular propane 1 pound propane tank, which is, there's another adapter here you can use, and you can cook, you know, fry. You can do a bigger pot for soup and stuff. You see it on a lot of videos that we use. I find it very helpful in this case. And look at how perfect it comes. We're doing a fried fish right now, and oh man, check this out. Check out these fish frying that stove. It can, even though some, oh, this one turns a little bit too brown already. So good. Look at that. Okay, it's ready to go. I'm gonna put another batch. But anyways, yes, you can see we use a lot of these. This video is not a sponsored video. I don't get paid from this company here. But since a lot of people ask when they see our video, where do we get the stove? What kind of stove is it? Is it good? So yeah, this is it. I'll put the link of these things that we use down below the stove. Yeah, it's when sometimes we cook in the wind, and this thing still heat up the soup really fast, and it's really sturdy. You can put like a big pot on it. There's a grip. Okay, the arm opens up and there's a grip on it. After use, you just fold everything back in the box. That's how easy it is. Very clean to use. I mean, to store away. So all right, I'm hungry. This fish looks really good. All right, let's get my plate going here. Now we're just gonna add the fish, and then this is tomato with fish sauce, right? Some little bit sauce over it. Oh man, it's so good, dude. This is papaya, kind of like a pickle papaya. Put it on the side here, and that papaya will go with a beef steak right here. What else should I add here? How about avocado, huh? Piece of avocado. Let's put 2 avocado, and what more? This is chicken ginger. I'll skip the chicken ginger. I'll just take a piece right now. All right, everybody, that is my plate for today. Woo!